Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get certified associate penetration tester, that is the CAPT, and certified pro certification is provided by the Hackviser, and you will get the free certification on certified associate penetration tester. That is the regular price is $3.99, but now they are giving you the dollar of zero. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So certified associate penetration tester, that is CAPT free limited time offer. Start your cybersecurity journey with certified associate penetration tester, that is CAPT certification from the Hackviser, and perfect for the beginners and aspiring ethical hackers. So what you will learn: hands-on penetration tester testing techniques, ethical hacking fundamentals, network and web security basics, vulnerability analysis and exploration, and OSINT and social engineering skill, and much more with the real-world labs and scenarios. So why CAPT? This industry recognized certification is self-paced, beginner-friendly, and focused on the practical skill rather than theory. Currently offering for the free originally is $3.99 for a limited time. So who is it for? So that is cybersecurity professional, student, IT professionals, and anyone who wants to understand how the system attacks and define in real environment. No prior experience is required. So course highlight is that Linux and Windows fundamental, network and penetration testing essential, web vulnerability like XSS, cross-site scripting, SQLI, etc. And privilege is escalation and more practical modules. So this is the enrollment link. So we'll go through the link. So this is the first page. Here you can see that dollar of 3.99. Now this is the free, and this is for the limited time. So all the details are there. Why will choose CAPT, hands-on learning, self-paced, industry level, real-world skill, no exam, beginner friendly. So all the details are there. Skill you will learn. There is a Linux fundamental, Windows fundamental, network fundamental, web fundamental, ethical hacking, and penetration testing, and more. Too many things are there. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So now, so get your CAPT certificate. Just click there and log in with your details. If you are already created account, then or you can create account using this one. You can use with the there is a Google and Git with the you can directly, and you can put the your name, username, email, password, and sign up. So now I'll go through the Google. So click your email address, continue. Let me log in with the email address and password. So we can create the account like this. You have to register, and I'm logged in. So I'll go with the my get your certificate now. So CAPT. So CAPT certified associate penetration tester. So go with the step-by-step process. After completing this one, you can apply for the certificate. When you complete all the module and all the progress, so you can apply for this. So all the details are there. So finally, we have a step-by-step process, and disclaimer is there all trademarks logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyright act 1976. So follow and support on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Note, follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues, and drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.